kung hanggang batang, sabi ko ba ba? Thank you for watching. Isulod mo na. Ay, nako. Batom na ako. Mani ka na, Didiyo. Didi ka na magagi sa pinto. Didi na. Look who's watching. Bagaman. Kahit sa'yo. Thank you for the likes. Hi, Michelle Valiels. Thank you po. Koswara channel. Hi, Koswara. Popo. Pepe. Why Popo? Why Pepe? Ako hanggang dito lang talaga tayo. Thank you, 5 people. Hi, Pepe. Koswara channel. Thank you, 2 likes. Not today, but wow. Why wow? Why you say that? Thank you for the likes to 4 million here now. Ay nako, ano ba? Hi, okay, yes, I'm okay. Ano ba? Israel Ibarra. Hola. Saludos desde Monterrey, Mexico. Catal to the donde. What? Bellissima. Epso. Good morning. Always be healthy. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the likes, Bob. Good morning, Koshi Kataria. Hey, Koshi. Thank you for the likes. I am your big fan. Thank you, Kashi Kataria. Thank you, Kashi. Thank you for the likes. Po. Hi there, Verna Rodriguez. Watching us. Thanks ng along mo idol. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, thumbs up 7. Thank you so much, Verna Rodriguez. Maulang-ulang na naman. Daw. Anong pamahawan niyo? Ano naman, nakalive ako. Thank you for the likes. Thanks. Hi, Donnie. It's
Thank you for the
alright.
watching the low. If you want to take it, para di mamamalayan yung mga imbang na
Yeah. Donnie.
yes, yes, yes,
Good morning,
yes,
babe.
yes.
Good morning, Donnie.
Ah, fuck. Fuck, oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Fuck guys,
I
oh.
feel so happy being lonely.
Fuck, oh, fuck. Uy. Tita. Tita. Tita.
Ay, nako. May mamarani. Sabi ko ba magana ka na ito?
Hmm. Hmm.
Thank you for... Hi, Golden. What's up? Hello. What is a turtle so meeting? Thank you for 10 million here. Hello, buddy. Hi, Golden. Maybe my love can bend. But only heaven knows. Thank you so much. Good morning. Must be good you're dancing. Yeah. Sir Mickey. Good morning, Sir Mickey. Good morning. But as you hurt me so. Dancing good. I'm like I needed a love who can dance someday. Thank you so much. 11 million here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning, Mom Sherry. Why, Mom? I'm just an ordinary Parvati, her Parvati, while she's on the moon. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, acting. I didn't Zumba today because today morning, Sunday morning, clean up, community service, and I'm not yet Zumba. You call me sir, and I call you ma'am. Okay, Sir Mickey. Mickey. Just call me Cheryl. Why is the same music playing in your head? Yeah. Same music and playing in my head. My imagination music. Why is the yeah? How much going acting? What do you mean? I'm not an actress. I don't do acting. Oh, she releasing tension. The message is held. Huh? Hello, pretty show. Thank you, Golden. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Oh, thank you so much for joining here, Kevin. Maybe we'll come back someday. Oh, meow, everyone. Sir Nathan. Ha? Wara. Yan mo na lang yung kaya hangirong ko na lang pag ano. Ayan na lang. Ako na suon. Ako na suon na hangir. Kay ano ko na lang. Pag may magmaradan. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Kevin. Good to see you, Cheryl. Thank you, Kevin. Wow. Marhay na aga, ma'am. Kuya Dre in the house. Marhay na aga. Thank you so much for joining. Kuya Dre, hello. Beautiful. Hi, Walter Green. Walter Green. Good morning. Maybe our love will come back someday.
Ba di pag-anniversary na lang ang
Ano na nadlaw? 10, 11.
hotel. Sa Turaga na. Sariyan ba? Guys.
If you are new here, thanks for joining us. We really do appreciate each all and every one of you. Nathan, thank you for joining. Good morning, Manuel. Morning, Manuel. Maybe our love will come back someday. Nice move there, Cheryl. Thank you, Kevin McConnell. Kevin McConnell. Where are you from, Sir Kevin McConnell? Where are you from?
Nagpakulay ka mga buhok.
Oo, hindi yan.
Dire. Mapapunta ka ba, me?
Okay. I think Cheryl has ants in her pants. Has ants?
Diretso na kita naman papasakan.
And her pants, she keeps going around. Ah, yes, she keeps waking up. No ants.
Diretso naman makikipagpasakay.
State of Loa, USA. Nice to meet you, Kevin. Sir Kevin. Sir Kevin Nakano.
Ang sakit niya sa gilid. Bakit ito na kaisuan?
Thank you so much. Moliona.
May sibay-sibay yung tinatangkan mo. Ang sakit yung kaisuan.
Ay, 12 niyan, mama. 12?
Well, yan. 10 kahapon. 11 yan. Thank you. You can call me Kevin, Cheryl. It's okay. Okay.
Kevin.
Thank you, Kevin, for joining. How old are you, Kevin?
Kaya ito na tuwa na ano? Siminto?
16 people in the house.
Thank you for the walking space in the house.
Rainy, warm weather here and sunny. Good job. Sunny here. Oh my gulay. Parang medyo...
Okay. Nasa ko ba ito pa kayo
Let's go. Binanag.
10? 10 years old?
Nabutan ko na na.
You know what? Kids are not allowed here. My God. Not allowed here, the young age. Lul. I America. Good morning. Good evening there. I'm kidding you. So how old are you? So how old are you?
Mama, 13.
Oo nga.
Ganyan, 12.
Kanina 12.
6, 7, 7. 6, 7.
Who you talking to? My Gab. My son. I hope everyone is doing well. Sir Nathan. Sir Nathan, where are you from? Do you really want to know? Yes, I want to know, of course, Kevin. How old are you, Kevin? Hi, Jamaica. I have subscribed to you. Can you subscribe to me? I asked you a few times to subscribe to me. You didn't answer. Pwede ba ibigay sa akin ang number mo, WhatsApp? Namimigay kasi ako ng pera. Ibigay mo sa akin yung number mo, WhatsApp. My number on WhatsApp is on my bio. Same my Gcash number. My Gcash number is same of my WhatsApp. So you can... Sir Nathan, I'm from USA. Nice to meet you, Sir Nathan. Thank you for joining here. 65 and you, Cheryl. I'm 40 years old, Sir Kevin. Kevin. I'm doing awesome, but I'm getting sleepy. Yeah, maybe because you are tired. You need a rest, Sir Mickey. You need rest, Mickey, and health is well. Hello, Martin Laporte. What's up? You Cheryl? Me?
Yes.
Instagram, same name. My Instagram is same name, Sheryl Ohm. But I'm not always there, so it made me busy. If if I'm not unanswered, ano. So, not, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. No way, I would have guessed in your 30s. Oh, I'm turning 41, Kevin, this coming, ano, February 2nd.
Daw.
Hmm. Thank you, Martin. Yes, Martin. How are you, Martin? What is it turning you must take care of yourself very well. Maybe. Sige, go. Ayan. Sige. Yan. Patayin. Yeah, that's a coincidence because my birthday is coming up as well, January 25. Wow! Happy birthday in advance, Sir Nathan. America, have unsubscribed to you. Congratulations. I am America. I think it's a Filipino. He's talking to me Tagalog. Northern Party. Are you in Philippines? Yeah, I'm here in the Philippines. You look very good for your age. Thank you, Kevin. Hala. Harila. 14 people in the house. Thank you for likes. I will be 31 years old, same age. Same age. 41. 31. You do indeed. Sir Kevin, are you having a kids? Do you have a kids, grandson, grandchildren? Having a happy family, happy marriage. Very pretty. Mercado bomb. Hi, sir. What does it hurt me so? Market bomb. Thank you, 14 people. Thank you for the likes. Hirami mula sa aking isip, sapat na sa akin.
Si Tatay Sisa? Si Tatay.
Thank you, Marlon. Thank you so much. Sapat na sa Cheryl, I'm going to go bed now. I can't hold my eyes open anymore. You have a wonderful day. Take care always. Thank you, Sir Mickey. Thank you, Mickey, for joining my live here now. Sleep well. Good night. See you next live. See you my next live. Martin. Yeah, I always dance. Even I cook, I dance. Cleaning, I'm dance. Super chat, super sticker, and membership are also available, everyone. Thank you, Martin. Divorce, 33. Oh, 33 years. Two kids, so son, 44, daughter. Oh my god. Two kids, son, 44, daughter, 20, 20, daughter 42, five grandchildren, two girls and three oldest, 22 years old, youngest 12 years old. Wow. That's great, Sir Kevin. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you today? I'm fine, Mike. Hello. Salamat sa pagsali ko. Pagsali kung bago ka lang dito. Ha? Guys, join the membership for only 3.19 a month. Everyone, thank you for your support. Thank you, Martin. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I'm unsigned. Super chat. Super stickers are also available, everyone. Thank you, Martin. Wow. Very supportive, Martin. Thank you so much. Ang nalalaman ko, sapat na sa akin. Martin is on a roll. Yes, Kuya Dre. My bird is longer than you are tall, Cheryl. That's insane. My bird is longer than my is longer. What? Then you are tall, Cheryl. That's oh my God. Hey, Martin from Mike. If you see a lot of hearts floating around on your screen, that's me tapping the hearts. Thank you for the sending the hearts. Thank you, Sir Nathan. Hello, Mr. Classics. Nice to see you. As hi, Molyon. Thank you. My God. Good morning, Sunwar Malagar. Sunwar Malagar. Sapat na sa akin. Hi, I don't understand. That's why can't figure and I can. Thank you for pressing the heart button and it helps the channel with algorithm. Thank you so much, Sir Martin. Thank you, Sir Nathan. Martin is a serious hunter. Those big wolves or something. Yeah. My bird is the same length. I should go to her hair. Wow. Really, Sir Kevin? I like this. Oh my God. Anytime, Martin. Party. That's what I do to support. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much. Master Classic, I catch those wolves with a cable snares. Cable snares. What's your status, Cheryl? What do you mean my status? Thank you for the likes. 13 million here now. Hello, Sanwar. Yes, Sir Nathan, 100%, my friend. Good morning. Hi, Idel Johnson. You are lady. Yes, Martin, that's what we are telling us. You must know what you're going to be successful. Yes, I will be here for your loves. Huh? Little son. Yes, Master Classic. Also, there's a lot of them, and here's you have more chance to catch them because there's lots of them. Idol Johnson, Idol Johnson, John Season, John Season.
Papay. Ano yun? Ano yan to? Laylayan sa pagbiya natin.
Can you give me moderator?
Ano natin sila? Dami ka ba sa nilakian niya?
Idol John Season.
Sabi natin sila, laylayan. Sa akin, pag-ano sila, kung tutulog sa sa atin, ano sa tulog.
Hindi. Thank you, Kuya. Salamat po. Thank you po. Are you married, single, divorced, the children, grandchildren, looking for someone in your life? I've never been married. Then I have a kid, one kid. I'm living with my kids here in room with my parents' house. We have a room with my parents' home. Hmm. Martin, call me Mike. That's my real name. I have a 1996 C4 Corvette, and that's my screen name. Okay, that is awesome. That's awesome. May nagtinda isda. Okay, Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike.
Yun na si Totoo, nakalit pa lang yun ang
Ha? Ha? Alam mo na nakaano. I will try to remember your name as sir. I see million of people every 3 days. Yeah. I understand. Me too. Sometimes I forgot. But many, but friends are remarkable and what should I say? Thanks for subscribing if you are new here. Thank you, Sir Nathan. Never married. Wow, what is up with the one that has you up, Cheryl? You are so nice and pretty. I don't know. Maybe the problem is me because I can't handle relationship maybe. Martin, that's okay. Sometimes I forget my own name. Oh my god.
Ay, nakita niyan. Hindi daw.
What? Haha, Mike, you're funny. It's all good, friend. Okay. Are the men they're not interested in marriage? The father of my son is not interested in marriage, but then when I trying to relationship with LDR, they interested, but I don't know if they are interested in marriage, but they're not ready to marry. So that's why. And then maybe I don't know if why not ready, but maybe they with someone. I overthink a lot because I'm not young. Why not ready? Hello, Cheryl. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you, Hex. So Nathan, that Mexican channel is a lot of work, my friend. They were on at 5 p.m. yesterday. Wow. Martin. Thanks from Martin. Yeah, I wasn't there, Martin. Thank you for joining, guys. What's up, Sir Nathan? Hello, Eggs. I'm doing well. From Sir Nathan. Hello, good to hear, sir. Mura nagtinda isda. Naghapot ang kuno yung nagtinda isda. Martin, how's the weather up your way? A lot of snow yet? Wow, the snow. Mike, there's a snow blizzard right now, my friend. We're supposed to get 1 foot of snow by tomorrow morning. Wow, we're supposed to have winter mix tonight. Wow, really? Here, the weather here is, oh my god, sunny, good weather here. I mean, I see all the Filipino women that are single. I'm not getting that. When I'm seeing beauty, the woman here want everything but their husbands. So much TV time here for them. Ah, so much time. Well, make sure to keep safe and warm. Hunker down. Hunker down. Thank you, 11 people. Thank you so much. The divorce rate is so high. It's very sick to hear someone is divorced. Why? Why a lot of couple there in US divorce? My God, here are no divorce. How can you be so beautiful and not have a husband taking care of you? I don't know, Michael. Maybe I'm not good. I'm not good. Ano. Hegs, I'll be there weeping out. There is no mobile. I have miles of farm fields. Not enough Jesus in the marriage here in the States. Oh my God. Marriage there is just on the paper. Piece of paper. Martin, you should try to make a video. Snow rebelling. Yeah, you need to make a video, Sir Martin. I need one. Okay. We will see. You're sweet and kind and gorgeous. I don't know, Micah. Martin, did you put it up? From eggs. Go to church. You will find an amazing man. I'm always on the church here, Sir Michael. Maybe I should put him.
Parang family at family reunion man, ano, bata, color coding man, halimbawa. Ano,
Definitely Martin. Hi, Hags. How have you been, brother? Well, I hope. From Kevin. What does it hurt me so?
kaya na ano mama, pag-alam mo, anak, mama, kaya ano po ka,
I have a hard time with those things. Because of video doesn't play with that too much. That too much. I don't understand Molyong. Hi Molyong. Can you translate it in English, please? Kevin, how is it going, man? I'm doing alright. I appreciate you asking. Ano ba yan? Anong ano yan? Ay, buta mo doon po yun. Wait lang. Dapat may nakandita mas. Ito lang ka dito.
Alin to, boss?
You have a missing legs.
skinless pa doon na da, ante natin bilang
My God.
Inadan nga siya, so apag ka, anong talaga ang
Thank you, Martin. You need a good man. You're missing. It will happen. It will happen. Double tap. Your screen subscribe everyone. Thank you, Martin. Just that's enough to find a great man. I think that's not enough. That's not enough.
Kaya grabe ang pagka. Kaya wala man yan, hindi anak.
Thank you so much, 8 people here.
Darang mga puro na 40 pa. 30 minutes. May 30 minutes pa mamay. Wala na. Ano naman ang bakalan mo? Ginagawa ko na yung kwarta, ha?
I don't understand what he's saying.
Umudong na sa 5. Mapakulog ka naman sila.
Thank you, Sir
Pinakalang
Nathan.
ko na, itinagang ko na ikaw 5 ko na naman yung bakal mo, ha? Kaya nabuo ka magkandada mo kay na pasuway ka na naman, ha?
Johnny Sonega.
Umupo. Mangirit. Ikaw, may kakarahari. Lakad mo ka na ito na hahintay.
Maybe my love will come back someday. You dance, yeah, I can dance, but when I'm done with
Ang 5 na daw ang pinakalsad eh.
that's awesome, brother Hex. I am well. I go to spend time with my brother at our men's breakfast this morning. I haven't had fellowship with them since July. It was good talking to them and eating. That's great, Kevin. Hey everyone, hi Golden Blade. Sounds awesome, Kevin. Yeah. Thank you, 13 people here now. Yes, it is Sheryl. Eras hermosa.
Malakaw lang
Well, it was Martin. Okay. 100%.
Ay, may sinagap ako dito ate sa karaha ko.
How are you, Martin from Kevin? Mercado. So when is the community cleanup meeting? Today, this morning, 7 a.m. here. Before I'm doing live, I clean up drive community service. That's why no Zumba now. No Zumba because for clean up community service. Kevin, I'm doing excellent, enjoying winter, having a blast. Thanks for asking. Hope you're doing good. Also from Martin. You have no work. Your break time. Sorry. Where are you from, Martin? I'm from the USA. Migostos. Nava. Maybe my love will come back someday. Bless you, Cheryl. Thank you, Gavin. Thank you so much. I am from Deep Woods, Canada, where the wolves are howling and the cougars are crawling and the coyotes are hunting. Oh my god. Sheryl Love. Sheryl Love. My membership is so Sheryl
Gusto
Love.
ko pag nagpapasa kay mami ata. Sabi, ganun, di ba nakamusay ko eh. Ayaw na kayo buda. Ayaw ka nakakadlaw na. Gusto ko nag-aatag pa.
Also, Marlon, I guess we are neighbors then.
May kama, sa yung kagabi.
Neighbors.
May nalakali ka sa pinipapay.
Yes. Well, yes, Kevin, 100%.
Pila na kami saan siya.
Mercado Bomb. Mercado Bomb. Someday.
Atag na lang kayo.
Kevin, check out my channel activity. Subscribe to me. I will subscribe to you.
Atag pagpatali. Para sa bidig?
Hi, Big Vlog. Kamusta, Cheryl from Canada? Hi, Big Vlog from Canada. I'm fine. Big Vlog.
Atag pan.
Thank you for the likes, Bob.
Ikakaw na ulo ni Gina yun to. Ako nagkakaw na sa to. Pag maano na ano. Ipapano siya.
Thank you so much. 13 people here in the house.
Kahapon.
My God. What's up, you done, Cheryl? I'm fine, Big Black. Marvin Sabangan. Hi, Marvin. I'll send some mouse. My wee brother keep your soul. Snow. With who we have had enough of your snow. Can't wait for spring time. Here I need to go camping and fishing. You're fine, that's good. Yeah. Thank you.
Kapag wato yung matulog, may kawalan si PJ lang. Wala na pagturog na alas 12. Awato pa ang doon magturog.
Yes, Kevin. And those are pictures of white-tailed deers. We have moose also. Yeah, I like camping too. Like camping too.
Hindi. Maulang ko yung pagkatuloy ng mga hawin na ayaw.
How far are you from the volcano? Maybe 3 hours from here. 3 hours from home.
Nag-uubat sa tiyan. Nagkulog ang tiyan.
Far, lot of far. Far here.
Hindi, paudan mo yan mamaya. Okay, paudan. Hana-hana pa. Sarong manini, hana-hana. Sabi ka na
Good,
siya
my
niya.
husband. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Siyang Manila. Pwede ka man hapinan ni mama. Hapinan ka din. Nakuha pa lang ako bawd, wala na. Yatrakan mama.
I'm here.
Ay, nada.
Subscribe, Martin. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin.
Tamay. Maganda ni sunod ano mo.
Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. I will subscribe to you also. Ricky Conrado. Wow, Yahoo, Yahoo from Enrique, from Ricky Conrado. You have church tomorrow, Cheryl. Today is Sunday. After then here, I'm going to the church. Kevin, you have 2 subscribers on this account now. Yeah. Hello. Hi, Pedro. I'm going to the church afternoon here. Awesome. You're Christian? Yeah, I'm Christian. Can I experience your church live stream it? Yeah, I will. I will live stream on the church. Psst. Wait, Mom. I will do live stream, but when I do live stream, I'm not talking because I need to focus the mess. So just live stream. I totally boundaries time not checking that won't be relevant. Yeah, because some nights when that other charge need to focus the mess, so maybe just live stream. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Oh my god. So tell me host. Tell me host. People, thanks a lot. You have a contagious smile. Contagious. Tuloy-tuloy. Contagious. You're really done. Thank you po, Sir Kevin. Do indeed. Do indeed. Good morning, Carson Sonoden. Good morning. Kuya Jay, stop you making her blush. What means tamo jonto? What it means? Thank you so much. So what time is Churchill? Afternoon here. So maybe middle ano, early morning there. So maybe not join. So what? Not join because early morning there. So maybe 2 a.m. there or 3 a.m. 4 a.m. in the morning there. Oh my god. Thank you, Sir Nathan. It's 9:44 p.m. here now. I got to charge here at 9 in the morning. Okay, good job. If usually I'm going to charge after Zumba or more afternoon here. So afternoon here because morning I do Zumba, morning here now and clean up drive community service. So busy. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, I will try to observe your service, Cheryl. I want to know about how your services. My job here, my work, I have working here as a public servant, like volunteer public servant as Venice. Oh my god. Fell bored. Thank you so much. Hello. What? Okay, I will try. I love your nose. The way you make your nose cut by shrinking it up. It's very cute. Don't be embarrassed about that an observation I noticed very cute. Very cute my nose. My nose is very cute. Ngayong nandito ka. Love that. So damn cute. So damn cute. Lol. Love. Oh, ang cute mo. Thank you po, Kuya Troy. Very pretty indeed. Hmm? Pretty. Joao. Hi, Joao. Joao. Oh, cute. Thank you po. Cute the eye bags. Cute the nose. The nose is cute because it's small. Hello. Hi, old man. Live 50s. Thank you for joining. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Nice to meet you here again. Oh my God. Happy New Year, old man. Thank you so much for joining here again. You seem bored. No, I'm not bored. Maybe you are. Sir Nathan. Happy New Year's, everyone. All of us say beauty from where we are, Cheryl. Thank you, Kevin. Like, exactly, Kevin. Oh, thank you po. Thank you so much. My God. Oh, I like him missing. Thank you, Steven.
Brown rice yata. Tapos ay tanasin mo na isda. Minutes yan.
Oh, thank you, 18 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Mainit pa? Mainit pa.
Kulang ako kung wala ka. Aray. Boy, I look amazing. Thank you. I look amazing. Ah, thank you, Rick. Hi, Rick. Thank you so much. Magayon talaga. Magayon talaga. Thank you, Iron Rick. Thank you sa super chat. Gorgeous, thank you. Na ako na lagi kang narin. Thank you so much. I'm 5'10". Oh my god, so tall. How tall are you, if you don't mind me asking? You don't mind, have to answer me. It will be okay if you don't. 5'1". I think I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead. 5'1", my height. Oh my god. 5'1", my height. I think I'm gonna stop whole thing. Kulang ako. Kulang ako. You all next. Why need to? No need to say that. Happy New Year to you, Cheryl. Hi, Happy New Year to you. What's the temperature there now? I don't know. So sunny. I don't know how. I don't know. Yeah, dance or super chat. Super chat, I super chat first before I dance. Oscar. Mercado Bomb. Mercado Bomb. John B. Hi, John B. Sir John B. Thank you for joining, Sir John B. Okay. Okay. All right. It's 25 degrees here now. It's cold. Oh my. Oh my God. I need to dance. I thought you're joking, Oscar. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sure, I have no milk. Oh my God. Why are you asking for milk? For you? Okay, I need to dance. My God. I thought you were joking, Oscar. My God. I need to dance. My God. For $3. Oscar. It's you and I done. Hey, good. For $3. Thank you for the super chat, Oscar. I thought you ano. I thought you joke. Oh my god, you make me dance. You're driving me crazy. Michael, calm down. You better watch out. You better not cry. Joke lang. Hi, Bama in Philippines. Welcome here. Good afternoon. It's still morning here. You'd be great at ball dancing. Thank you, John Bay. Kuya Dre, got you, mom. Thank you for too cold. Too cold. Too cold there, Kevin. I sent. Okay, you will send $100. Then I dance. Oh my god. Okay, I send Oscar. I need money. I dance. Oh my god. It will get down to 18 degrees at 7 a.m. in the morning. I'd better not pout. Oh my god. Thank you so much. You better not cry. You better not. I don't know. I'm telling you why. Why now? Why? My gulay. Oh my gulay. Thank you so much. 23 people in the house. Thank you for 33 likes. Sheryl Ohm is coming my town. Where are you from, Sir Michael? I sent. Oh my god. Oscar, you crazy man.
Kung sa'yo magalat ka.
Narin. Narin.
Sinambay.
Ano ko? Ikaw. Ay. Tay.
Sabi na naman. Dali pa nga niya, break. Oo. Kaya? A Santa Claus coming to town. It's cold. It's cold there. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Thank you so much. 17 people here. Antok na match. Where are you from, Michael?
Thank you for 21 people. Thank you so much. I can't remember when you called. Said I hi.
Mahalot ako sa din. Yay!
Sorry about that. Sorry about that, child. About what? Oscar is on punishment. Yeah. Oh my! I can handle that, So I'm not ready about the topic. So not now, not now. Oh my god. Oh my god. He is at the corner right now. About your eyes being amazing. Amazing, my eyes. My eyes is eye bags. Thank you so much.
Kita may set ako.
Wow.
Bye.
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 Standing in cam corner be better. We shall. Wow, so nice dress. Thank you. Wait lang. Stormy who's that girl? Alright, hello, good morning from France. Hi, Franco is from France. Kuya Trey. Hi, Franco from France. Oh my god. Mm-mm. My underarm is so nice. Oh my god. All crazy people. You have on missing legs. Thank you, Michael. How are you doing today? I'm fine, Sir Franco. Girl. You are Sean. Sean. Siyang. Kili-kili. Kili-kili. Oh my God. I gotta go and give you your privacy. Don't want to upset you. So Kevin, thank you for joining here, Sir Kevin. Good morning from the United States. Hi Rick from US. Kelly Kelly. Hola, hi George.
Wala man mantika.
Mura mantika.
Na ako.
Miss, wait.
Maliwan? Bado? Oo. Kayo, nay, nag-ulo na. Grabe na.
Say.
Boy! Ala,
Wait.
Papayo, gusto mo
nakalive.
Say.
Bado?
Wait.
Karaway mo ba?
Grabe man.
Nakalive. Ala, mama, 498 na yada. Nakorta mo.
Very 4.98.
98. Ay, 4 lang. Pero, ika na ako nadaga na 4 pa sila. Nasa million na rin. Million viewers. Sad girl. Girl.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Solo English, por favor. Hola, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining, guys. 22 people.
Sampai sucak. Kala, ano na natin? Sabi ko ako yung ginakilig. Ano talaga? Umadi ka, haliang ko na. Okay na yun. Ano? Kamay, madami pa niya sila. Asli. Papa nga. Hoy, ang ate mo, tita, oh. Kumaon na yun. Hello, hi. Ariad man lang. Hello, hi. Kiss. Pa. Nipo niya sila ba? If you wanna... No. Ang ate mo, wala ka na tita.
Hindi papayo. Ha? Paulangin na siya, din. Bari, ano pa? Papamarang. Hindi na ini ha.
Wrong way. Cute. Thank you.
Ano naman nakipawan?
I'm cute.
Wala. Gusto nga ni Papa yun.
If you want it, parang hindi maamoy. Inyong nga. Awit. Naamoy tae. Impornado ba yan?
Thank you po.
Ako na, matubay ako. Tara.
Bishop. Johnny's Omega.
Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Ito ba si Sia? Ito ba si Sia? Ito. Hindi ka dyan magpa... Aday! Aday! May mood nga ni Josh na. Ito kasi kawat niya. Ito yun.
Vishal. Nanong sudan ninyo, Faye?
Ano, pansit canton?
Anong sudan ni Papay?
Ano, brown rice.
Ito na yan?
Yes.
Isda, ang sinabawan mo.
Ha? Hindi pa
Dagiman! Hot dog! Kita mami. Gawa lang ka muna siya. Bayad muna o tayo.
Hi, nephew.
Gawa lang ka muna siya. Kita baso siga boro. Boro ano mo golden. Ito lang hot dog.
Sheesh! Ito mo yung mga dito.
Gusto mo na?
Hindi, sige.
Paano ba yan to? Kabang ka. Wala.
Hindi naman yung imasin.
Ada.
What talk about to eat? Talk about sausage.
Tita
Like
sausage yan.
Yeah.
Tadiyan mo daw. Tita.
Sausage yan.
Ito mo sa rep.
Sa'yo ba? Ano pa yung bubutang sa
Ayan na hotdog. Yan na hotdog. At
Ito na lang naman.
lutuan na kami hotdog.
Oo.
Kaya yung salisagan na lang. Sobrang inat.
Wala nagtinda isda ha.
Ha?
Wala nagtinda.
Kulang na rin paro.
Saga. Para.
Ako na si Ion.
Madali ka pa. Aray.
Si Ate Shay.
Makalukon nga giti ko. Tapos
Si Ate Sheryl.
Baba, iluta ako makalukon sa
Hindi
bigla.
ka kilala na ni Papa.
Saan ito? Saan nga di ko si Papa?
Magayo.
Kilala.
Oh, di ko na
Magayo at si
Kaya ako kay Daho. Niyo, nagaway. Ay, ano ba niya ate?
Besi ka makaon. Uy! Di ka makaon.
Dewe.
Wala na naman.
Mawali.
Ay, mamaya na. Ay. Ito ko. Pipit, imo daw, kailangan na. Hala, si Tita Mami, sunog tunga. Tita Sean. Ayan.
Lamig.
Di na ako makaon, Mama. Kay Mama, di lang makaon. Dahil may ano na, may pamahawa na. Ulan.
Ay.
Nagbatog na naman.
Nagkaragpagnaan.
Mom, lots of kids. And yeah, lots of kids here. Lots of kids.
Namason si Ash.
Job.
Mulo po. So beautiful.
Uy, kabutan!
So beautiful. Ay, karaan na ka mo, Gab. Nasa daan niyo, Faith?
Ano? So,
Kami di pa ako nagkaon.
Kami sabi ko sa'yo mo magkaon ka na.
Ano, gusto ko may hotdog sa dito.
Sino ka pa rin sa balay niyo?
Ama, papunta ko!
Ay, ka na mo. Paguna ko.
Papa niya.
Langka din na lang. Langka niya tayo.
Natag?
Langka ba yan? Ito gaway. Yun nung nainatag. Langka o gaway.
Ano yun?
Ate Sia!
Oo. May natag ni Tita Mayla.
Sa'yo lang ka.
Ang butso to.
Ay, di ka.
Di ko sabi ni Mama, inatag yun ni Tita Mayla. Pagaway.
Like how many? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Many. Sometimes 10. 10 kids.
Say hi.
We are 5 kids now. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids now.
Tira mo na. So, ang binata ni Mama.
Binata ko ni Mama.
Ano? City? Ano? Mama, aga si Ate Zaira. Si Dintone. Si Ganito nakaraan sila parang ano. Ito na, December. Ito na, Saturday, kuya. Ito daw, na. Pagsakan nila na tumayo naman.
Wait.
Ate! Ay,
Bibi, di magluwas na. Dadalang ka.
Say. Ano? Maybe my love.
Maybe my love, we can beg. Haman mo daw.
Kaya nga eh.
Maybe my love. Seryoso, tira ako.
Sige na, kanta na
Ay,
yun.
batak ako.
Maybe my love. Maybe my love.
Maybe my love, we can beg. Maybe mo. Maybe my love, we can beg. Return to your amazing channel.
I will return to you.
Alam mo na yan nagawa.
Thank you, Sir Kevin.
Basta mo na lang daw ito. Okay, kami sa ito natin ito. Ano? Makanya ko, Dashley.
Sari-sari nearby. Yeah, sari-sari nearby.
Yeah, sama ito. Ano mo nito?
Welcome back. Welcome back. Formal. Welcome back po. May kulay.
Dapat may dako sa
Are those your kids? No, that's not all all my kids.
Wala, di man yan.
My kids are only one. They are my niece,
Sa akin yan.
my brother's daughter, my brother's kids.
Huwag makaunaan niya ito.
Baga makaraon na lang pasuruhay pa.
Huwag makauluto.
Magkano luto? Magano na kami? Luto.
Kanaluto.
That's cool.
Kami ko, kami ni Ate Ben. Gawa mo lang sa una.
Baby, my love, campaign.
Ano yan sa akong pinggan? Yan na, palit kita. Ito lang sa akong pinggan.
Of course.
Ay, luto. Why not?
Why not coconut?
Hello, guys.
Hello again, Cheryl. I hope all is well. Yeah, all is well. Thank you, Kevin.
Yan, tama na.
Little Riggs.
Diet
You are
ako
very
eh.
pretty. Thank you, Michael Riggs.
Bitang ka, ganina pa yun si Kevin 10 years old.
Sino yan?
Kaganina pa.
Hello. Hi, Ron Rick. The real one. Like 40 people.
We're just people. Pa-square ko. Oh, pina-square ko. Pina-square ko.
Pina-square
Pina-square ko ba
Pina-square.
Wow, please. Pina-square ko at the same. Buffet. Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. Thank the Lord for all the things that are today. I just amen. Father, Son, the Holy
Ulit.
Okay.
Ulit na. Hindi pa na naman. One more.
Iba naman na pray.
Ano to? Okay, one more.
Sa'yo pa, actually take two. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen. Thank the Lord for all the things that are today. Guide us around, amen. Father, Son, the Holy Spirit, amen.
Good job.
Ito ka, nagpa-praise, please. Bye.
Hi, lovely family. Hi, Sir Jamie Moore. Thank you po. po for joining here again, Sir Jamie Moore. You are boom. Yeah. Hi, Cheryl. What time is church today? Afternoon. I'm going to the church afternoon here. Hey, Jamie, Sir Jamie. Thank you, Sir Jamie. I'm going to the church afternoon here.
Yeah, may square na ako. Square. 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 Mama, wala mo na ako sa I make Oh.
Maybe my love. That's good. Yeah, that's what are you doing, Sir Jenny Moore? Have a nice day. Have a good night. Good evening. Hello, Kylie. Moyo. Kirano. How are you doing, a little one? I'm doing now. You're gonna take all the wild Indians went with the charge. Yeah, Sir Jamie Moore. You're gonna take all the wild Indians. Oh my God. Going to the church, oh boy. Going to the church, no, maybe not live, because when I do live, I can focus the church. Maybe I need to just no, making a video, just not a live, because it's different. I can't do live. When not, I'm not the church. Wild bunch. Wild bunch. Thank you, 41 likes. What time niya? Oh my God, 12:50. Ano? I understand completely. 25 people. Thank you po. Hello, Kevin. Lolo. Ano sudah niyo, babang?
Kaya pa nga.
Mama mo na sudah ni mama mo.
Kaya pa nga. Tuka mainom yung tabi.
Do they have Sunday school for that? No school for Sunday. Sirs Jimmy Moore, no school for every Sunday. Oh, yummy. That sausage looks very tasty. Yeah.
Malagyan ko niya. Ano siya
Thank you so much.
Okay.
How are you morning? My morning is good. Morning good. Good. Um, 43 likes. Thank you so much. Hurt me so.
Salamat, Natbet.
Elaine. I sent a little over 100 PM people. Take them to Sari later. Buy them whatever they want. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Oh my God. Nagdin si Kuya Dre. Ano gusto nyo? They like... Ano gusto nyo? They like burger. Burger. Few fries. They like burger and fries. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Oh my God.
Darang, kwarta na.
Naghatag 1K. Thank you, Kuya Dre. The kid said.
Si Kevin, Dora.
Si Kuya Dre.
Ano nga, si Kevin.
Kuya Dre nga. Si Kuya Dre nag-send. So, send para daw sa 1K and pin. So,
Talo ka pa. Luto ko pa.
Sabi mo, thank you, Kuya Dre.
Thank you, Karje. Ako ma.
Dre.
Dre.
Sabi mo, thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Dre.
So, thank you, Kuya Dre.
Thank you, Karje.
Flying kiss ka, baba.
Ha?
Flying kiss.
Oo nga.
Be happy. Thank you, Kuya.
Kuya Dre.
Kuya Dre.
Ano, sige. Wala. Karayin mo lang. Di ba, abading ka? Lilip ka.
Ha?
Lilip mo. Burin.
So maybe my love can bang.
Big mo.
Big mo.
Kita na. Okay, kami gawin.
Aray ko. Bon dia toda dem convosas today. Yung maligayang pagdating. Yung maligayang pagdating. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. No. Ako na.
Nakaniyaya din. Butang sa ako. Buo na.
Tubo na niya.
Dito da ko na.
Thank you. 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. 45 likes.
Mama, babasakay kami ng Rasiya.
Maano ka mo? Malapukon.
Mga karig.
Ay, sos na. Ano ka mo may natay dito baga ko na ano sa una.
Sa'yo kariguan.
Ay, nako, wala yun. Hapon na. Magkasirin ako mo dito. Mahapdos ka pa. Yung sisiya na maharapdosan niya. Pag ganyan yung mga
May
ganyan.
masin, oh. May masin. Si ate kasi nadapa ito. Sa lagarig. Kami, lagarig yung kami mga dito. Black na bling kami. Sa lagaso. Please. Minsan, nilulumpatan lang. Nakaraputan lang. Madas, bawal na.
Thank you po.
Butyan.
46 likes. Salamat.
Ang mga butyan natin,
Baby, my love will come back.
Para ano niya? Para ano ni Ashley? Tulakan, may tunga.
Ito. I need to prepare the ano. Thank you so much for joining.
Hindi ko malak.
Thank you. Hope you see you next live. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Rick, Kevin, JB Moore. Thank you so much. Sir Nathan.
Take it.
Thank you, Mike. It's wrong week. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See you next live. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you all. Thank you so
Love you
much.
all. Love you all.
I love you all.
Lubial. Ay, lubial nga. Ate,
God bless.
Mama, Gcash mo na.
Bye-bye.
Mama, Gcash mo na. Mama, kagaya na bagay. Tagan mo si mama yung 500. Tapos dito sila